Hey guys, this is Zombies. Today we're going to be doing a DIY, and we don't know what we have in here, so we're going to fill them right now. So mine feels small.
Mine's big, I think.
So do you guys want to open them?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I got this. I got a... I don't know what I got
a Build and Grow pullback race car.
I got a Build and Grow pullback race car. I got a bird feeder. Cool. Let's take everything out. Yours is big. So this is. So I think you have to like nail these together. I'm guessing, and then wait.
Then you have stickers.
We have nails and like this little wood piece. I'm gonna open that. What's that? What's my first time? You know what? So I have nails and I don't know what this wood piece goes. Oh, I think it goes on the front like this.
I'm looking at the instructions because I have no idea how to do this.
Me neither.
Okay, so
first, what I got, Bailey? No. Oh, good.
First, you put A, B.
That was actually. Oh, cool.
And I don't get one. It's not fair.
I'm gonna put this right here.
Wood piece in here.
Wait, you have.
Okay. So then you're gonna
Take
put
it. Oh, you
A
got
and B.
this one. There's something in the pocket.
Out.
And that went with mine. This. No, Brittany, you did one before. She did one?
Oh, she didn't. That's
no,
Paige.
this one with mine.
That's
Remember, Brittany?
Paige's.
I mean, Bailey? Okay.
Cool. How do you open this?
Warning.
Where's the scissors?
There's a warning on there. One. Nail these together.
How are you supposed to?
That'll be easy.
Let me take a hammer.
It's pretty easy
Put
until
this
you
over
mess
here.
up and it's up. And then I suck at stuff like this. After that. I need one nail. I don't know what kind of nails these are. Oh. Okay.
How are you supposed to open this?
Okay. Oh, I did it. I nailed them together.
Yeah, got the nails out.
And then you nail this together.
Wait, what?
What? Oh, cool.
Okay, these are A.
So you put this in, I think.
These?
Okay, yeah, you
These
do this.
are these.
Okay.
So then you take these and you're supposed to put them on the side. Yeah, on the side. And then you put
can't
it
do
right here.
Oh, dang it, I don't have my apron on.
Put it in.
That's.
Oh, I don't have my apron on either.
We're losing
only
it.
prepared one.
Braden's the only prepared one. Yay, I'm prepared. I'm prepared for everything in my life.
Oops, I'm dropping everything everywhere.
Billy, can you help me?
Ow. How am I supposed to? Are you supposed to like?
You're supposed to nail them in. I think.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's see if I can even do this.
Oh, and then on this side, nail it.
What the?
What? Mine are nails. Mine are nails.
Stole that from me.
Jeez, Paige. What? Can you do that for me?
You did another wrong one. Wait, wait.
Mine's like the hardest.
Paige, you're like wiggling the whole other table.
There's my car already. Got it nailed in. Now I think you take the little one. Can you use your hammer, Paige?
Oops.
Wow, yours is gonna be hard. Look it, I got nails in here.
So next, you gotta flip it over.
Oh,
And put nails in this.
Bailey, you nail this on the back. You nail this on the back.
I need your hammer.
D,
Okay. Then you go smash, smash.
Then I think I use this time once. And then let's put it back. Okay, Brayden, who wants the hammer? I need it.
Okay, so this is my car so far.
I messed up again.
That's my car so far. It's nailed together.
Oh, I
A little bit. Then you gotta nail the
Can't get
back
this. It's
in.
so hard. Oh wait, never mind.
Where's the back? I think I lost it. Oh, there it is.
Billy, I need your help here.
Oops, I dropped a nail.
Oh.
Need your help. You can hammer it in.
Yeah, don't hit my fingers, please. place. Don't miss. I've missed this before. I missed one of these before. Hammering in the wrong spot. I'm ruining my car. Go. Once more again. Come on.
Just do it already. You can't do
It's
it.
not working out. It like wedged in the side.
Okay. Paige, you're wiggling the whole entire table.
What? No, my nail! No, I can't. Come on,
Do I need another big nail?
can't do it. Look, I'll just have to go on like this.
Oh, I need another big nail.
Okay. Mine isn't working either, Brayden.
Then you take this piece, right? And then you
Oh, nuts.
put it right there. That was right. Or put it like that. I have no idea. Brayden, on this, are you supposed to put this little piece right here that way or
I
this
think
way?
I got it. That way.
That way?
No, I
So then you take
didn't.
these two little pieces, put them in there.
My hands are hurting.
Then you gotta take the hammer, hold them in.
Oops.
I think I pushed them out even more. Yeah, I did.
I don't know. Aw.
Anybody got a hammer?
I'm using mine. I'm using mine.
Wiggling the whole table.
Sorry, it's a hammer. And it's hard to
How is it
use.
supposed to work? It's not even fitting in.
I think I used the wrong nail. Eh.
It's gonna take you a long time, Brayden. Dude, yours is going to the side. Paige,
Nobody's helping me.
Oh, it's not my bill, it's yours.
Why don't you try this?
Need a hammer.
Why don't you try this?
Need a hammer.
How did I
I'll
get that
use
one
this
better?
So weird.
Yours is easy, Paige.
What?
Not ready?
I got it. Let's see. I think this is not working out.
I don't think this is working out, Bailey.
Can I use your hammer for a second?
No,
Thank you.
I'm getting yeah. Oh, I got it. I think I got.
I know, Paige, it's not going in. It's not working out so well.
I think I used the wrong nails. Oh. No, your nails are all popping.
Yeah.
Paige, you're gonna miss. Watch.
Oh my gosh. Because people are like wiggling the table. That's why they're all wiggly.
Oh, dang it. Oh, no. Hold on. Did you drop yours? No! I'm doing it. I'm trying to do it so it won't make noise on the table. Wait. I missed it. I'm off a little, but still.
Mine's like going on the side. It's making new holes. Ugh.
I think I got my back. Ow! I think I got my back.
It's going to the side.
Okay, so I got that. Wait.
I can do this.
Hammer, hammer. Hammer, hammer.
I can do this. This is so hard.
do so bad, baby. Here we go.
I'm gonna black this. Let's try another nail.
Now I put the
I broke the nail! Dang it! What? Look it! This is gonna take you a long time.
It's not in all the way.
It's actually working on this one. Not like the other one. Okay. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna take that.
How do I get it in? I did it before.
Paige, look at this. Oh yeah, you did it.
Took that. Now I nailed
Now
it.
I'm making this one go to the side. Seriously? Can't even get this one in.
Okay, stop. You're rolling my nails away. Okay,
Yes!
Brayden.
Score!
Baby.
Score.
Bailey, stop.
Paige, look at this. I got one in straight and one in crooked.
Nice.
Boom.